Meaning of fiord.
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 Fiord. A fjord, spelled fjord in some regions, is a narrow and deep inlet of seawater, with steep cliffs or mountains on either side. These formations are typically created by glaciers during the last ice age, when they carved deep valleys through the landscape that were later flooded as sea levels rose. Fjords are found mainly in Norway, Greenland, Canada, and New Zealand, and are popular tourist destinations due to their stunning natural beauty and unique geological features. They also provide important habitats for a variety of marine life.